Yeah, she's really kind and sweet. Even she's younger than me, but she's very mature. And she helped me to get used to on the set. So it was very fun, and we did TikTok together. Yes, TikTok video.
TikTok.
Yeah. So it means like we are friends.
Right.
Yeah. So it was fun, and it's like I like to work with everyone. Actually, they'll always really welcome to me because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying, but they're always trying to translate and explain everything. Like even it's hard. They always try to like communicate with me. So I was really thankful to everyone. Yes.
Richard, nakita ko sa trailer parang meron kayong heavy scene together ni GC. Parang may confrontation ba, parang magkaharap kayo or something. Sa table ba yun?
Although hindi yung pinaka-heavy scene.
Right.
May obvious ka, confrontation. Pero in a light way naman.
How was it working with him?
Gamitin ko yung term niya po, intimidated. Well, nagkaroon ako ng pre-thinking na ako na-intimidate. Pero hindi, issues na posibleng lahat ng mga tao.
Long time. Mas payat ako ng pandemic.
Well prepared.
Tumaba na.
Right.
Hours. What is it?
Wow. Well, good job. Good job, Jisoo. Most focused. Follow up me, Romel and Jeffrey Perdon of the Familia Online World for Alexa. Is this your first time to portray a character similar to being a mother in a project? And what were your preparations?
Malungkot.
Text. I think it is my first.
Right.
Because I felt a little more mature sa ugali-wise mature.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang po yung
nandun ka ba kanina sa press?
Sort of mother guardian tayo. My preparation, ang una po kasi yung character ni Sunny, ayaw talaga niya. Masungit, mainit ang ulo palagi. Medyo ma-relate naman ako doon ng slide. Hindi, joke lang. Pero it wasn't that hard for me din naman po to prepare. Kasi as the days would go by, mas napakalapit din ako kay Riley. So the relationship, how it grew, how we bonded, it was very natural and it just really happened. And sobrang denied lang din ako ni Derek na yung maibigay ko, yung natural lang, yung normal lang, kasi overthinker po ako ng slide. So doon ako tinulungan ni Derek na maibigay ko yung best ko. And hopefully, lumabas siya, and hopefully yun din po yung makita ng mga tao pag nanood sila.
Thank you, Alexa. We're talking about yung actor-actor relationship, no? Direct, ito yung next question from Jeffrey. How was it naman directing a Korean actor?
Oh, it wasn't hard at all. Kasi what I love about Kim Jig-soo, kasi nga sinuportahan din ng mga cast that he's really focused and prepared. Ito, seryoso, table reading pa lang namin. Memorize yung lines. Samantalang sila naka-script kami. Pero siya, memorize na ba ako? Uy, relax ka lang. Table reading pa lang to. Pero siya, all out na kaagad. So medyo na-pressure kami lahat na, uy, ganyan yun. But yeah, it was very collaborative. Yung ginawa namin yung script, it was almost 80% done. But when he entered the picture, he supplied a lot of information about the Korean culture and suggestions also in terms of perspective. So we had to revise it also based on his experience. Kasi we wanted it to be very authentic. And he really helped us so much.
Saka ang gusto nga niya, ipalabas na parang in a positive way.
Yes.
Kasi napapasa daw niya sa documentaries na the Popino is somewhat showcased in a negative way.
Correct.
And he wanted it in positive, right?
Yes.
Alright. Next, from Marlu Herrero of Tatak Manila for Rufa May.
Yes.
Ito na.
Yes.
How did you attack the role? Since this is a special participation. Teka na, makinig ka muna sa tanong. How did you attack your role? Since this is a special participation role, you still managed to regular yourself in the movie.
I attack myself. Diba? Yes. Yan lang. Hindi, gusto ko na pa siya. Again, where's your watch? The Cartier. Yung giving it to me, remember, dahil hindi ko po kinuha, pero ngayon mabait pa na siya, kukunin ko na. Next time I will get it. O, at saka ganun na attack ko, friendship.
Okay.
Kaya naman kasi direct favorite ako, kaya yun din talaga kayo.
Pero special participation ka nga na ba
Oo, kasi
dito?
hindi niya kaya. Namiss niya ako from the Comedy Island, last one laughing. So ngayon, gusto niya kasama ko sila. Lahat naman, hindi kasi naging bandingan kami, kaya siningin ko talaga ang attack sa world ko.
Ibang Rufa may iba makikita namin dito.
Ano kasi sabihin ko na pa? Okay lang. Di ba kaya alam na nila agad? O, hindi kasi po ang role ko, nakakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya lagi. Kaya yun yung comedy doon, yung hanggang ngayon, di ko parang alam kung sino siya.
Sino?
Si...
Pinuso.
Alam ko na kasi ang pinuso ko na, di ba?
So madalas ang ka-eksena mo,
Hindi siya.
lahat.
Oo, ito.
Sino paborito mong ka-eksena sa lahat?
Siyempre si Kim Jisoo. Siyempre si friend. Matagal na naman magkakilala.
Oo.
Siya na yung papel. Si Mark, siyempre writer namin.
Oo. Hindi, si Jisoo, ano pa ka-eksena ninyo? Without
Kasi
spoil.
parang hindi magiging favorite siya. Pag nakita ko sabi nga namin ni Kai Cortez, marami si Kai mo, matikas.
Ay.
Totoo naman, di ba?
Oo.
Ayan, hindi na nag-pipiyat. O ano yung matikas?
Okay.
No, I just say you're very, matikas ka.
Ano ba yung matikas sa English?
In a nice way, baka, ano ba yun? Who's that? Your translator? Or BIR? Baka finding the tax. Ha? Yeah, what's handsome? Ayan ka.
Pero ba nakakalam ng matikas in English? Parang doon yung debonair.
Debonair o spell.
Spell.
Mahirap na. Basta is very dashing debonair.
Dashing.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Everything positive.
Yeah.
Just for the watch.
Okay. Thank you very
So
much.
please watch overnight.
Okay.
Give me the watch, I'll watch for you.
Ang next question ni Mario is for Ryrie. Ryrie, could you briefly tell us how similar your role is to your real self? Kapareho ba?
Short.
Makulit. Wow!
Anong tanong? Naalala. Tanong niya.
Pero Ryrie, ang sabi kanina, ikaw ang mini-miss you ng Cavite, tama ba? Oo, mini-miss you. So ito yung first TV project ni Ryrie. Film. So first movie project ni Ryrie. Wow! Ano ba kiramdam? May pelikula ka na, ikaw ba yung bida? Happy naman. Wow, of course. Next, si Bernard Santos may question from My Movie World for Alexa. Do you see your younger self in Ryrie? Since both of you started as child stars, and what do you think sets Ryrie apart from other child stars in the industry?
Well, I haven't really worked with a lot of other child stars ngayon, pero meron po kaming similarities, pero madami rin kaming differences. Kasi nung bata po ako, mas reserved, I would say. I was a bit more reserved. Pero kagaya ni Ryrie Benibibo, kapag naman pinakanta at pinasayaw, game na game naman, parang gano'n. Ganon din po si Ryrie. Siya yung parang nagpapahappy talaga sa buong set, kakanta siya, sasayaw
Pero
siya.
mukha siyang mahihain now.
Siguro po syempre, it's a bit overwhelming to be in front of so many people.
Right.
So I'm sure may nerves din kahit pa paano. Pero cool lang yan. Chill ka, diba?
Chill!
Yeah. Chill! Kilay-kilay lang yung tumataas. Pero what I really like about Ryrie is her professionalism. Because as a kid, of course, napapagod siya. Right away, kids nap. Kids need to nap, di ba? Or maikli ang attention span. But ang maganda po kay Riley is, napagsasabihan, she learns when you talk to her, and yun nga, yung professionalism po niya, parang naiintindihan niya. She's very matured for her age, kung paano siya makipag-usap sa amin.
How old is Riley?
6.
Six.
She's 6. When I was her age, hindi pa po ako sumalang sa showbiz. More on commercials din po ako. So, that's a totally different world. Pero sobrang nakaka-proud si Riley. Sabi ko nga, patuloy lang siyang kasain at alagaan, syempre to keep her feet on the ground and matutong gumalang sa mga iba. She will make it really, really far.
Wow! Well, good luck, Riley, sa iyong first movie project.